got a chance to play that game at the game room.
Oh, really?
It's actually more like a comic action romance zombie. I mean, how you got into this character in the first place?
What?
How you got into this character in the first place?
I don't know.
How did you got into this character in the first place?
Did you have a card you can exchange secret? Cash out?
Never mind.
Did you have a card also that maybe I can get your info too?
I don't have it. Can I send an email?
Yeah.
My name is Mie, M-I-E. Okay. I will send it.
Nice to meet you.
Anyway, how did you got into the game in the first place?
First place, I don't know. I played game like since when I was little because my younger brother played.
Thought so. Have a great time.